How to fix washing machine making noise when off. Learn the main reasons and how to troubleshoot. A noisy washing machine can be frustrating, especially when it continues to make noise even after the cycle is complete. To fix this issue, it is essential to identify the main reasons behind the noise. The most common causes of a washing machine making noise when off include a faulty drain pump, loose or unbalanced washer, and worn out or damaged bearings. Other possible reasons include a malfunctioning motor, clogged drain hose, and excessive vibration. To troubleshoot the issue, start by checking the drain pump and ensuring it is working correctly. If the pump is faulty, consider replacing it. Next, inspect the washer's balance and adjust the legs if necessary to ensure it is level and stable. Check the bearings for signs of wear and tear, and replace them if needed. Inspect the motor and drain hose for any blockages or damage, and clean or replace them as required. Finally, check for excessive vibration by placing a spirit level on the washer and adjusting the legs to ensure it is stable. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the underlying cause of the noise, ensuring your washing machine operates quietly and efficiently. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the drain pump filter and checking the washer's balance, can also help prevent future noise issues. Remember to always refer to your washing machine's user manual for specific troubleshooting instructions, and consider consulting a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. By taking these steps, you can enjoy a quieter and more reliable washing machine.